Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure App Services reliability. Let's get started. So Azure App Services, as you know, has a lot of reliable features. The first one is going to be the high availability. So Azure App Services has a 99.95% of SLA, ensures that your apps are always on, and then it's much more reliable. The second option is auto scaling. Auto scaling is automatically your apps are scaling whenever there is a need, and it automatically scales down when the need is lower. And this consumes less app services compute and also cost-effective way of doing it. Geo-redundancy, as you know, Azure is spread across multiple geolocations. To ensure that the reliability is much better, your app deploys across multiple zones. So that way, even if one zone goes down, then it automatically uses the other zone to reliably serve the traffic. And also it ensures that when there is a scalability requirement, then automatically the zones are used. The last one is backup and restore. Easily you can create backups of your web applications and then restore them in point of time. And the whole backup and restore process is much more seamless so that you're not dependent on a lot of scripts or anything else, like it's all automated. So monitoring and diagnostics. This is really important when your application is running high on CPU, or if some issues are going on, it has integrated monitoring tools, a log and analytics, and then you can use that to track your performance. If there is any issues, that particular area can be segregated, and then you will be able to get alerts when there is a issue. That way you can monitor and manage your application in a better way. The next one is security and compliance. By default, Azure is much secure compliance with the built-in security and compliance in Azure and certifications, and your app is getting regularly updated when there is patches that are applicable, and then it's all seamless, automatic, and you don't see much of a downtime when these things happen. Compliance related things, as you know, the application services are compliant with all the needs and certifications. Thank you. That's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another topic. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.